First example, for the following arithmetic progression, find a5 and an, and the sequence is given as 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. Okay. So, this is the sequence given and we have to find fifth term and nth term. What is the first term in this case? First term is nothing but 3. What about difference? Now, second term minus first term, that is a2 minus a1, what we are getting here is 8 minus 3, which is nothing but 5. Check on the next term, 13 minus 8 is again 5, 18 minus 13 is again 5. So, since difference is common, so we can say it is an arithmetic progression, and since it is an arithmetic progression, we can use the formula for last term or nth term. It is an equals to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. We can use this formula only if it is an arithmetic progression, and since this is an arithmetic progression, we are using this. So, what is your first term? 3, difference is 5. Now, we need to find fifth term. So, we can write this as a5. What is your n in this case? N is 5. So, we can write this as a1 plus 5 minus 1 into d, which is nothing but a1 plus 4 times d. Now, what is a1? a1 is 3. So, substitute it. 3 plus 4 times d is 5. This is 3 plus 20, which is nothing but 23. So, fifth term for this sequence is nothing but 23. Now, next we need to find nth term. What is nth term? Same formula, an is a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Now, since n is not given, we are finding a general formula, we are writing a general term for this. So, what is your a1? 3, n minus 1 will be as it is, and this is 5. So, you can keep this as it is, or if you want to further simplify this, it can be written as 3, 5 into n, 5 times n minus 5, which can be written as 5n, and 3 minus 5 is nothing but 2. So, an is nothing but 5n minus 2. So, whatever you are n you are substituting here, you will get that particular term. For example, suppose I am substituting 5, this will be 5 into 5 minus 2, which is 25 minus 2, which is nothing but 23. So, we are getting over here 25 minus 2, which is nothing but 23, we are getting this term. So, this is your nth term. So, instead of finding this first, what you can do is you can find nth term first and then find whatever term is required in the particular problem. Second example, the nth term of a sequence is 3n plus 2. Show that it is an AP. What is its first term and the common difference? Now, AP is nothing but arithmetic progression. It is a short form for arithmetic progression. So, first thing what we have to do is we have to show that this particular term, okay, the nth term of the sequence is given. So, we have to show that it is an AP, it is an arithmetic progression. So, since n term is given, what we have is an, and it is given as 3n plus 2. Now, we just have to show it is an AP. How we can show it is an arithmetic progression? By showing that difference d is constant. If difference is constant, we can say it is an arithmetic progression, and then we have to find first term and its common difference. Now, how do we find difference? It is nothing but a2 minus a1 or a3 minus a2, or we can write this as an minus 1. So, the previous term, next term minus the previous term. So, n is 2, so it is going to be a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3 and so on. So, what is your an in this case? An is 3n plus 2. So, what will be an minus 1? Let me write here, an is given as 3n plus 2. So, what will be an minus 1? Instead of n, we have n minus 1. So, wherever we have n, we have to substitute it as n minus 1 plus 2. So we can write this as 3n minus 3 plus 2. Basically we can simplify and write this as 3n minus 1, which is nothing but an minus 1. So an is 3n plus 2 and an minus 1 is 3n minus 1, and our difference is an minus 1. Just substitute this. What is an? 3n plus 2 minus 3n minus 1, that is an minus 1. So if I am simplifying this will be 3n minus minus plus 1. So this and this term will get cancelled, and what we are getting is 2 plus 1, that is 3. So what is our difference in this case? It's 3, and since it is a constant term, we can say the given sequence is an arithmetic progression. So since D is constant, sequence is an arithmetic progression. Okay. Now we have to find first term and common difference. We already got common difference here. So what is our D? D is nothing but 3. Now we have to only find first term. And what is last term given, n term given? It is 3 times n plus 2. So what will be first term? It is nothing but a1. So it can be written as 3 1 plus 2, which is 3 plus 2, nothing but 5. So in this case, first term is 5, common difference is 3. Okay. And since difference is constant, we can say that particular sequence, whatever sequence is given, is an arithmetic progression.